If you're thinking about buying Kaspersky VPN, here are 12 things you need to know first. With so many VPN options on the market, it's important to understand what sets Kaspersky apart from its competitors and whether it's the right fit for your needs. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you should know is that Kaspersky VPN is backed by the trusted security company Kaspersky. Known for its antivirus software, Kaspersky brings its expertise in cybersecurity to this VPN service, which means it's designed with strong encryption and privacy features. Next, Kaspersky VPN is simple to use. Whether you're a beginner or experienced with VPNs, the interface is user-friendly. Unlike some competitors, which can overwhelm you with settings, Kaspersky keeps things straightforward, with no complicated configuration. The third thing is its server coverage. While it does cover a decent number of countries, its network isn't as extensive as bigger VPN players like ExpressVPN or NordVPN. This might not be a deal breaker, but it's worth considering if you need access to a wider range of regions. Fourth, Kaspersky VPN doesn't keep logs. It operates a no logs policy, which is a huge plus for privacy-conscious users. However, unlike some rivals, it hasn't been independently audited yet, which means there's a bit more uncertainty when it comes to its actual privacy practices. The fifth thing is its speed. Kaspersky VPN provides solid speeds for most users, but there's room for improvement. Compared to services like CyberGhost or ExpressVPN, it can sometimes feel a little slower, especially if you're connecting to a distant server. Sixth, you can connect up to 5 devices at once. While this isn't as generous as some VPNs that allow more, it should be enough for most users who just want to protect their phones, laptops, and desktops at the same time. The seventh point is its ability to unblock streaming services. Kaspersky VPN works well with platforms like Netflix, but it's not always reliable when it comes to unblocking other streaming sites like BBC iPlayer or Hulu. Some competitors like NordVPN excel in this area, consistently unblocking a wide variety of content. Eighth, Kaspersky VPN offers excellent customer support. If you run into any issues, you can access 24/7 live chat, email support, or an extensive help center. While other VPNs may charge for premium support, Kaspersky includes it with your plan. The ninth thing is its pricing. Kaspersky VPN is priced competitively, but it's not the cheapest option out there. It's more affordable than premium services like ExpressVPN, but services like Surfshark often offer better value for money with longer subscription options. 10th, Kaspersky offers a free version of its VPN, which is great if you just need light browsing protection. However, the free version limits you to 200 MB per day, so it's not suitable for heavy usage. If you want full functionality, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. 11th, the VPN offers good security features like military-grade encryption, a kill switch, and DNS leak protection. While it doesn't offer as many advanced features as some competitors like ExpressVPN or ProtonVPN, it provides the essentials for safe online browsing. Finally, Kaspersky VPN is compatible with a wide range of devices. You can use it on Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. However, some competitors, like NordVPN, offer more options, including support for routers, gaming consoles, and smart TVs. To wrap it up, Kaspersky VPN is a solid choice for most people. It's secure, easy to use, and reasonably priced. However, if you're looking for a more extensive network, faster speeds, or better streaming capabilities, we recommend checking out our top choice, which you can try for free.